I've served with Bob since 1995 when Governor Engler appointed him to the Court of Appeals. I know Bob Young probably better than anybody in terms of judicial philosophy and judicial work because we've worked together for all these years. He deserves to be reelected to the Michigan Supreme Court. He's an intellectual powerhouse and a man of courage and integrity, and our state desperately needs it. Michigan is messed up, and Bob Young is one of the leaders who knows how to straighten things out.
Robert Young, I believe, is one of the great legal talents in the state of Michigan. We are so fortunate to have him on the Supreme Court that it's essential that we return him for another term. In my view, he was and is the most talented member of the court we have. While I was on the court, we relied on him for really virtually all of the serious legal analysis that the court did. He's a great talent, and we have to return him.
Well, I've had a chance to watch Bob for the last decade, and I've sat around the conference table with him every week, and I've discussed cases with him, and I don't think there's any member of the Michigan Supreme Court who works harder, who's better prepared for discussions, who's more conscientious, who's more fair-minded, and who tries to do the right thing in each case based upon his understanding of the proper principles by which judges do their daily work.
Bob Young has demonstrated he's got the courage, he has the intellect, he has the track record, and he has the commitment to carrying out a constitutional government in this state.
And you support Justice Young?
Oh, absolutely. I've supported Justice Young for years. We need to bring him back. He's not only a legal scholar, he's a man of integrity. He also understands the proper role of the judiciary in a constitutional government. It's not to be unelected priest kings or unelected kings to impose an agenda by judicial fiat. He understands it's the job of the legislature to write the rules, it's the job of the judiciary to interpret them, but not to impose from the bench policies that can't get elected by the people. He understands that, and that's why they've targeted him.
Well, I've known Bob Young for a number of years, and I think there are very few people in either Michigan politics or involved in the judiciary system that have the integrity and the intelligence and the perseverance that Bob Young does. He's proven for years and years and years that he's a class guy, makes good conservative decisions, he's smart, he's a family man, and he's the kind of person I look up to.